Mistplay is built mainly for Android phones, and that's why a lot of tablet problems come down to compatibility, not your account. By the end of this, you'll know how to figure out whether your tablet is unsupported, misconfigured, or just stuck on a fixable bug. First, here's the direct answer. If Mistplay isn't working on your tablet, check 3 things right away: Android version, Google Play services, and device certification. Open Settings, tap About Tablet, and check your Android version. Mistplay usually needs a newer Android build to run properly. If your tablet is stuck on an old version, the app may install but fail during sign-in, game tracking, or rewards. Next, open the Play Store, search for Google Play services, and update it. Mistplay depends on that for login, syncing, and reward verification. If it's outdated, the app can freeze or fail to load games. Then go to Play Store, tap your profile, settings, about, and check Play Protect certification. If your tablet says, not certified, Mistplay can block features or stop tracking playtime. Now the second part, app level fixes. Go into Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, and tap Clear Cache first. That removes temporary files without deleting your account. If that doesn't work, tap Clear Data. That resets the app completely. You'll need to log back in, but it fixes a lot of sync and loading issues. After that, uninstall Mistplay and reinstall it from the Play Store. This forces the latest app files onto your tablet. If games open but your playtime isn't counting, there's usually a permissions problem. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Permissions. Make sure Usage Access is enabled. This is the permission Mistplay uses to track game sessions. Without it, you can play for hours and earn nothing. Also disable battery optimization for Mistplay. On many tablets, aggressive battery saving kills background tracking. Go to Settings, Battery Optimization, find Mistplay, and set it to unrestricted. One more thing most people miss. Some tablets use Wi-Fi only with unstable DNS or VPN settings. If you're running a VPN, turn it off. If you're using private DNS, switch it to automatic and reopen the app. Quick recap. Check Android version, update Play services, and confirm Play Protect certification. Clear cache and data if the app is stuck. Turn on usage access and disable battery restrictions if playtime isn't tracking. Your next move is simple. Test Mistplay on one game for 10 minutes after making these changes and see if progress updates. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes.